Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to my channel DJ Kid. Taking a look at the market right now and it is absolutely depressing. I mean, everything is down hard at the moment. Got Bitcoin down 10%, ETH down close to 15%, all the tokens are down. So early on today we had CZ putting a tweet out there saying that he's acquiring FTX, basically off the back end of the CZ and SBF tweets going back and forth. So yeah, I mean, since then the market did pump a little bit, and initially I thought, yeah, you know, we're back on the uprise again. But I mean, you can never be certain in these markets. The market at the moment is tanking. So what I've done, and again, this is not financial advice, guys, but what I've done from my perspective is I've taken a little bit of money out. Because yeah, you know, the market looks terrible, so I wanted just to make sure that I've got a bit of reserve cash there for you know, if the market does drop lower than what it is, and potentially, you know, with all the fear in the market right now, yeah, there could be further drop-ins, to be fair. So yeah, I've literally taken a little bit of money out and put that aside, and yeah, just waiting to see kind of how this plays out. But yeah, as we can see here, Bitcoin is down 10%, ETH's down close to 15%, Solana has taken a beating, down 24%, and FTX, which was down at which was trading at $22 yesterday, and then was at $17 this morning. I can't even find it here now. So FTX is now at $7, so 68% down. I mean, that is absolutely massive. It is just, yeah, it looks terrible at the moment. And guys, like I said, just better to be safe than sorry. Maybe just put a little bit of money on the side. You know, I definitely would have played with a stop loss anyways, but yeah, if you haven't, it's fine. Just take money out, put it to the side, and you know, you have to be positive in these markets, because longer term, we know crypto is always going to be there. So yeah, you got to have a positive frame of mind, and got to be willing to play the long game. So yeah, it's a bit of a glitch right now, and I know it's disheartening, but obviously just for peace of mind, take a little bit of money out, put that aside. Don't wait until the market drops further, or you know, don't wait to see if the market's going to bounce up like tomorrow or whatever. I'd definitely just take money out now, put it aside, and if the market does bounce tomorrow, you go back in. But if it drops further, then at least you've got you know, a bit of security there. But from my perspective, I think it's probably going to drop further. Yeah, I was taking a look at the charts. Bitcoin, so we're currently trading at 18.6k. We're below the 50 EMA, massively below the 200 EMA. Long-term trend is obviously bearish, so going down. This wick today is a big bearish wick, and I mean, yeah, so if we take a look at where we're kind of trading at, I mean, previous levels of, you can say, you know, there's previous support at these levels, but realistically I think we're probably headed down now towards you know, probably like 17.5k, and potentially even further than that as well. So we could probably end up somewhere in this range from 17.5 to around 16.25. So this 16.25 is what level is that? So that's basically, so if we go back a few, well, it's going to be into, when was that? So that was in 2020. So that was the previous kind of lows here. So about 16.3 could be the next support level, and that level was achieved back in November 20. So yeah, we could drop down down to that level if we don't end up holding these positions here. So, you know, just to be on the safe side, I'd probably take a little bit of money out, and as I was kind of saying earlier on, probably want to put a little bit aside. MACD, you've got the crossover at the top, and obviously that's a bearish momentum in the market, so that's going to be the case with pretty much all coins at the moment. So you can see that crossover, kind of a bearish momentum there being built up. If we take a look at ETH, so I'm looking at these on the daily. Again, ETH 50 EMA has been broken again. We're below that level. currently at a support level of 1345, and again, if we break below that, longer term trend is down. If we break below that, we're probably ending up at around these levels that we had back in, when was that, July 22. So what's that? So yeah, roughly $1,000. So yeah, again, probably just to be on the safe side, take a little bit of money out and just hold it aside there, just to see how the market plays out. Again, MACD is showing a bearish momentum shift in the market, and as I said, that's probably going to be the case with that is going to be the case with all coins at the moment. Again, if we take a look at Solana, so Solana has had a massive hit, currently trading at $24, below the 50 EMA as well. Previous levels of support was around the 50 EMA, so broken below that now. Yesterday's support was around $29, and today we've touched the $22 mark, so currently at 24, so I had a bit of a bounce back, but again, crossover on the MACD, probably headed down towards like $21 or so. And at $21, the last time we hit that level was probably back, if we go back, gotta go back some time now. Damn, I've lost the, where are we going? So 21 levels. So last time we actually hit that was back in, where it looks like it's somewhere around here. So July 2021, and that was the that's basically the 200 EMA. So potentially that 200 EMA was the previous support level. So we're probably headed back down towards those $22 dollars potential level for Solana. So yeah, again, just to be on the safe side, taking a bit of money out, put that aside. But yeah, it doesn't look great at the moment. I'm looking at these on the daily. We can have a look on the 4 hourly as well. But again, similar story. MACD showing bearish. Got some big wicks down. Again, below the 50 and the 200 EMA for Solana. ETH on the 4 hourly is pretty much the same story, and Bitcoin is going to be the same story as well. So yeah, it's not looking great at the moment. The market is bleeding, and yeah, you want to be safe in these markets. Just take a look at Twitter. So there's a lot of kind of news out there. Capo of crypto, exit all markets, Solana getting killed. So just a few of the influencers out there. This one's quite funny. Join us, Sam. So all the guys that have pretty much been messed over. So you got Do Kwon and so on up there. Celsius owner as well. Yeah, it's not looking great. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, hit me up. You can drop me a comment below. Let me know what you're doing, what your positions are. And hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll keep you updated with the latest news, latest information about what I'm doing and how I'm looking to play this market. But as I kind of said before, nothing that I say on this video is financial advice, so please trade at your own risk. But for me personally, taking a bit of money out and just put that aside just to see how the market plays out, because I don't want to be holding in this situation and leaving it till tomorrow and next minute the market's dropped even further. So yeah, just to be on the safe side, just putting a little bit of money on the side for security. But guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.